What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Let me give y'all a little update about Rissa and Quan. Now, I know I posted a video titled Daddy Home. I thought Rissa and Quan, man, their broken relationship, but I was wrong. Rissa and Quan broken up for real. This is not a prank, and I'm gonna say it again. Now, today they posted a video, a pre-recorded video on a YouTube channel, and a lot of people rant over and say it's clickbait. Rissa and Quan is together. So Rissa posted this on her IG, letting the world know that, hey, it was a pre-recording video. Me and Quan still trying to work things out. You know, like I said, for the last couple of days, Rissa been posting video acting nonchalant about the situation. But on the other hand, it's taking a toll on Quan. Quan posted these pictures on his Snapchat of him being stressed out, that he checked himself into the hospital. Now, Quan is really going through it. Whatever Rissa did to Quan is taking a toll on him. A lot of people thought he overreacted because of the things that Rissa was putting up on her IG, on her Snapchat, even on her Twitter account. She came out and said Quan was just being over dramatic about something. Whatever took place, it took a toll on Quan. Y'all already know Quan loved Rissa to death. He proposed to Rissa, told Rissa that he was going to be with her for the rest of his life. Whatever Rissa did to Quan, it broke his heart. This man is mentally going through it. The first day he came to the internet and said they were separated, he didn't eat for a couple of days. He felt sick. He said he was sparing Rissa. He was not going to talk about it out of the respect of his kids. Quan is emotionally and mentally going through it. This man valued family and he valued Rissa. Rissa, on the other hand, she acting very nonchalant, like nothing ain't happened. She's snapping at the blogs. She calling bloggers messy, the tea room messy. But Quan was being very transparent with his supporters. But y'all let me know what y'all think about the situation. Y'all pray for Quan.
Oh my God. What the heck?
So, I've been waiting on this moment my entire life. And I always said to myself when this time came that I would speak from the heart. So I want to start by saying this. As I look you in your eyes right now, all I see is the most beautiful woman in the world on the inside and out. Not only am I infatuated with your beauty, but I'm in love with your soul. You're the most beautiful, loving, caring, selfless, hard-working person I ever met in my entire life. In my eyes, you're perfect. You're everything that I ever wanted and more. I thank God every single day for blessing me with somebody like you. These past few years that we've been together has been the happiest years of my entire life. You literally fill my heart with joy, and you're my best friend. You're my inspiration. You're my strength. You're my soulmate.